Slayerix Gaming here, and today instead of playing a game, I'm playing on a video game website. I'm playing on Addicting Games, Nickelodeon. So, I don't know what to choose because there's a lot, so I'm gonna close my eyes and then choose a playlist. I'm gonna go from here to here because I'm not choosing girl. So I'm gonna go crazy. 3, 2, 1, closing my eyes and going. Car. I'm not really a fan of car games, so shooting. Bowman 2. Let's try that game, guys. Or gals.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game is waiting for you. You can jump on board with the Super Starter deck. It comes with a total of 52 cards. Super Starter V for victory. 52 cards per box. Each box sold separately. Learn how to duel on July 27th at select stores during Yu-Gi-Oh! Demo Day.
Konami. Instructions. No, shooting. You should click anywhere in the game window. Make sure you have enough room to gesture and then move your mouse back. Finally release. Wait, what's that? I'm trying to put double stamps. Let's try this. Okay. I need to pause a second, guys. Sorry, guys. I started recording and I forgot about that I was going to a pizza place. So technically, I got arrow in me. Now let's continue. See if this will hit anything. Hit me on the first shot. Oh! Oh God. I want to get a headshot. God. Oh! Did you see that? I just went right over my head. Oh, he got it in the crotch! Did you see that? It went right in his crotch. Mine went through my chest, but his went in his crotch. Ooh. Look, he bled a bit. Ah! No! I hate computer. Bird hunting. I didn't hit anything, but I'm pathetic. Kill the birdies! I hate arrows. Headshot! How did I miss that? How do I miss that? Oh, I get that bird. I shot myself in the neck. Because I have an achievement. Oh my God! Did you see that? The bird landed right on my head. I just got a new hat. See? It's a birdie of death. It's a dead bird on me. I'm bad at this. I'm good at this. I'm bad at this. I'm so bad at this. Actually, I'm pretty good. Oh, got double! Double kill. I ran right through him. I hit him. Ow. Ow. Ah. That didn't even hit him. It just hit the tip of his tail. Feathers. Died. That would kill him. Okay, guys, go to main menu. Stop saying free world group. Let's practice. Of course I hit the target. I missed the target. I was even more than that. That was pathetic. Did you know this Bowman 2 got Bowman 1? That was double duo. How hard is this? Finally, I hit it. Main menu. That's enough for me. That would have been a headshot. Derp. Meep. That was so close. Are you serious? I'm still alive. He's gonna kill me. No, he didn't. Thank God. Literally. Thank God. I don't believe in God. This game's stupid. Caution, violence. It's a shooting game. What do you expect? I want to go to action now. What? No. Get up! They just looked my screen. On the inside! What the heck? Ooh. What's this? Killer Worm 2? Worms do.
We're back! This summer, you coming with us? Is a Smurfs
No.
butt blue? The Smurfs, you tell me. Meet their match. The Naughty. On July 31st. Here comes trouble! It's nice. La 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 la.
Secret, stop!
Versus naughty.
Our fun is just beginning.
I don't think so, Gargamel.
The Smurfs 2. This film is not rated July 31st.
No, it's kind of weird how it bit him. What? I need to get one here. Eat, grow, profit. I have wings. I'm a worm. Eat the chicken. Eat the chicken. Eat the cows. Rampage! Woo! Woo! This is epic. Eat them up. Yeah, eat the person with the chicken head. Anyway. Complete. No? Here's a pistol! See? Pistols! Is that Neon Cat? I killed Neon Cat! The world will never be the same again! There's another Neon Cat! Let me eat him! Woohoo! I'm an epic worm of hunger! Whee! Oh my god, there's army people involved! Kill the cows! I can fly! Or you get health. Why does that seem to be spinning? What's my worm doing? I can't control myself anymore! I hate you, Spike! This game's glitchy! What's happening to me on my computer? Kill! You're hungry! Man, lots of awesomeness! Woo! Kill them all! Worm! Kill Neon Cat! No, you're gonna kill yourself. This game's stupid. I can't control myself. See? I blew up. It said yay. What? That does not sound...
On July 31st, it's time to choose.
Eeny, meeny, miny,
Me!
moron. Yes!
Are you nice?
You tell me.
No! I have been scarred for life. Or naughty.
Here comes trouble!
How
Or
did
Smurfs.
Smurfs.
Oh no, Guardian!
Smurfing with you.
Excellent
Oh.
impression. Rated PG.
Hoo-ha. Okay. Where's the... Oh no, he killed you. The Happy Thief in Forgotten City. In the year 2603, end the castle system. The city, once corrupted, is now liberated by the onset of the falling war, made all progress roughly. Our hospital's area is now abandoned by ghosts, town that time prominent. It's already again to the puzzling Happy Thief. Why is it called the Happy Thief? Because he steals happiness? Down the jumper forward. wait, what did I steal anyways? Oh, there's...
Remote activation. Remote activation. Remote activation. Remote activation. Remote activation. Access granted.
Oh! Oh god! I just poofed? This game's stupid. I only poofed. Zombie balloon head. Seriously, Nickelodeon?
NXT's
Seriously?
non-stop summer is back.
Crank up the heat.
On it! With even sweatier new episodes of Crash and Bernstein. New Kickin' It and new Lab Rats. Bonus! I dare you, chicken! Visit DisneyXD.com/I dare you and pick which Disney XD star will make this chicken do just about anything.
I do not know what just happened, but I need a bathroom.
Vote online and watch new episodes Monday nights at 8:30, 7:30 Central, all non-stop summer long on Disney XD.
Woohoo! Now that's something better. Glow monkey. Really? You could have just thought of it. He loves his history class. Too many zombie possibilities to daydream about. I got that! It's a bang gun! Woo. Oh my god, it's like I want to. Ah! Ink? He's a zombie! No, he's some idiot. Oh, Ink's ammo. We'll have to kill him. Die, god of zombies. Okay, actually, I'm going to my strongest weapon. Okay, now I'm going to this one. We don't know. Yes, he exploded. Whoop. I killed the Romans. I hate Romans. No more Romans. I want to know what's after Romans. Vikings? Or America? Or English? I hate the blue. Wait, when it explodes, their hat turns red. So this is my kind of game. gotta throw him in the air. He's ahead of your fatness. I hate you. Head explode already. I'll use a better weapon on you and you'll be paid. Oh my god, a wave of zombies! Oh no, I died. I can fly! Yes. This is easy. How many more zombies are there? You get max ammo when you collect it. Wait, is it max ammo? Yeah, max ammo. Because I like only 100 left. Those don't look like zombies. They just look like some idiot. You know, I actually do look like human. They look like some stupid. I have no idea. God. Oh god, he has a spear! He has a spear! I'm gonna kill the spearman if it's the last thing I do. Is he the boss? He has to be. He's the most mobile boss. Ooh, help. Oh god, he does a lot of damage too. We got 2 lives left. Whoever invented this game is epic. Oh god, he jumps? There's a door. He has to be the boss. No other zombie would take this long to kill. Other than the boss. Let's try this gun. Oh my god, look how much ammo this gun has! Oh my god, this gun's overkill! Now this is my favorite gun because it kills them with 3 bullets at a time. Oh god, is that a hellhound? Oh, those are hellhounds. Not a sure fatness again. I thought I killed you already, you sure fatness. You sure fatness. You got some more fat? That instant killed me. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. They have some pretty good health. Woo! Oh, so dark means there's even more than one. I hate treadmills. guard the tank well. This gun's so powerful. Oh my god, did you see that giant dog? This has to be last level they're on it. He's on a podium! There's a horse on me! There's a gladiator! Get max health and max ammo when you get max. This game's epic! You can go where no other human— oh god! Gazebos! Gazebos! Ah. Study? Meh, it was fun. But I can't play this game. One more game, guys. One more. Run for your undead life.
If I wanted to TP my own fantasy factory, I could kind of do this, right? Oh, crazy. Oh, running over here. Oh, it's all the way over here now. Or I could upload my TP game. We're TPing.
Oh my god! I would so want that.
Now that's how I upload my TP game.
That's how much toilet paper I use. Get away from it! What was the explosion? Hello, hidden layer? I wanna watch this. stamina. Launch. Kill. Really? Money! You don't like the money, money, money. Die! Die! Give me my ammo! Let me get it! I need to fly! Oh my god. Game's energetic! Guys, this game is energetic! Give me energy! Oh no, there's a lot of people! No, you killed my money! I hate you. Taste the. Ow! I did not mean taste the ow. Let me taste your face. Taste that. You could have got. Oh, come on. Woohoo! I really did get the coin item. Oh! Die, butcher! Nah! Except that's low aim. My accuracy. Double kill! I believe that woo! I'm epic! You cannot kill me! Ow! Oh, now you're dead. I'm not afraid to. Ow! I'm not afraid to use them. Why did I run into that? Because I'm an idiot. Die. That's the purple. No! It's an archer! Die, archer! Oh, I killed the archer! Gimme! I got a spin poke! Skateboard. Pogo was the most unique way so far. I don't know what's in Pogo. I'm invincible, dude. I'm invincible, you butt. I came to kill. Hey, look, he died. This is epic! Hey, look! A green person! Look out! He has a knife, honey! Look out, honey! He has a knife! Pogo! I'm Sir Pogalot! He's like, no you're not! Die! That's hurt me. I'm invincible. There's nothing you can do about it. Instead, try to kill me because I'm not invincible anymore. Gimme. Okay, guys. Next time, we're gonna play Potty Racers 4. So see
On July 31st,
see you later.
it's time